Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 22, How to Edit and Set Widgets in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about WordPress widgets. We'll see step-by-step how to set and edit widgets on your WordPress sites. So let's get started. From the WordPress dashboard, choose Appearance and then select Widgets from it. Here you can see sidebar widgets, 4 optional sidebar options, and 4 footer widgets options. Go to your site, and here on the right, you can see all the sidebar widgets. So let's make some changes. Remove any option from here. For example, we remove this Archives widget. Just drag and drop to the left side at the available widget area. Now go back to your site and refresh it. You can see that option has also been removed from here. Below we have Meta option. Now go back to Widgets. Select this Meta option. You can delete this option permanently from here, or you can drag it out. We will remove this Meta option with this Delete option below, and on site, you can see it is already removed from here. So here we have got so many different widgets. If you want to add some more, you can add anything you want from here. Choose the one you want to add and then drag and drop them to their respective positions. For this one, it needs a title and the number of comments you want to show in it. You can set it accordingly and then click on this Save button. If you add pages, it will need different subcategories. If you don't want to fill up, click on this Done button. So it's added. You can change their positions just by dragging and dropping them there. So now we have got 2 recent comments. We will delete one and shuffle it also a little bit more. Then go back to your site and refresh it. You can see your new widgets have been added here. So it is Search, Recent Posts, Categories. Go back to Widgets and you will see it is the same. Search, Recent Posts, Categories in Sidebar Options. Now we will add footer widgets. We have 4 footer widgets in this theme. You can choose the widgets from the sidebar, or you can add new widgets also from the left here. You can add new widgets to footer widget 1 or footer widget 2, or so on. Choose the widget, drag and drop it into the widget position. Now back on site, refresh it, and you can see at the bottom a new footer widget is added. Add the page title and click on this Save button. Again, refresh your site and the name is changed. If you want to change widget position, you can change it from here, and it will be updated on your site also. So that's pretty much everything with the widgets. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Users option. We'll see step-by-step how to edit your user's profile and add new users on WordPress. See you in the next video tutorial.